Hi, I'm from Ingersoll Rand. We have always been around, adding to the quality of your life every single day for over 145 years now. Wondering how? Come, let me show you. One common instance when we touch your life is when you have water or any beverage in PET bottles. The purity of water starts with the bottle. Ingersoll Rand's oil-free air compressor guarantees 100% oil-free air for PET bottle blowing, ensuring safe and healthy drinking water. We at Ingersoll Rand are committed to sustainable and environmentally responsible solutions. We will always be around to ensure a better tomorrow.